China is not only home to ancient historical wonders, but also boasts natural landmarks with remarkable geological features. For travelers who crave adventure and thrill, two destinations stand out: Taihong Grand Canyon and Mount Siguniang, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Taihong Grand Canyon is a natural masterpiece, shaped by millions of years of geological activity. The towering cliffs and sheer rock faces create a majestic landscape where erosion over the ages has carved sharp, dramatic formations. When you visit, you can truly feel the Earth's movement through every rock and cliff you encounter. What makes this destination truly special is the glass walkway that hugs the cliffside, allowing you to immediately sense the depth of the canyon beneath your feet. Every step you take is a mental challenge, but also an invitation to immerse yourself in nature, where China's wild and rugged mountains are at their most spectacular. Standing on that glass bridge and looking out into the distance, you're reminded of just how small you are in the vastness of nature. The exhilarating combination of excitement and a tinge of fear will have your heart pounding with every step. Walking along this glass path is unlike any other experience. It not only requires bravery but also forces you to confront your own fears while taking in the stunning views that stretch out before you. Each person who crosses it feels a surge of adrenaline mixed with a touch of fear, but ultimately leaves with a sense of pride in having overcome the challenge. Mount Siguniang, or Four Sisters Mountain, is one of the tallest peaks in Sichuan province, formed through millions of years of tectonic activity. Its soaring limestone and ice-capped peaks create a dramatic scene that rivals any of the world's most famous mountain ranges. Ancient glaciers and steep cliffs here are a testament to the power and harshness of nature. Visitors don't come here just to admire the beauty, but to push their limits. For those who seek adventure, the mountain trails offer a rugged challenge with extreme weather ranging from scorching sun to bitter, biting winds. On this journey, you're not only facing the physical demands of the mountains, but also confronting your inner limits. From novice trekkers to seasoned climbers, everyone feels the challenge when standing before these towering peaks. Reaching the summit of Yaomeifeng, the highest peak at 6,250 meters, is a mix of exhaustion and euphoria. Standing in the vast open space, looking down at the snow-capped mountains below, you realize that this trek isn't just about the grueling paths, it's also about discovering the strength of your own spirit. With their unique geological characteristics and breathtaking natural beauty, Taihong Grand Canyon and Mount Siguniang aren't just destinations for thrill seekers. They are places where people connect with the untamed wilds of nature and, ultimately, with themselves. It's a journey of confrontation, exploration, and triumph.